Maybe this week.
Maybe like you do my makeup video. I'll set up the brushes here for you and you do my makeup. That would be so fun. Please. Hey guys, it's Jennifer and today we're doing a Fabfitfun unboxing. This is the fall edition. As you can see, it's a big box and the design is very fall inspired with like leaves and stuff, and like I've said multiple times before, I love packaging and this totally gets my attention. So this box is pretty heavy, so let's see what's inside. I'm really excited. I haven't seen any of the emails or anything because usually they put like spoilers on there. So if you guys want to see what I received, just keep watching. Okay, so I'm gonna start by opening. And it's pretty heavy, so that's how it looks. Once you open it, there's always like this magazine on top. What? You're missing out, man. You don't want to see? And you could be like, here. Oh, what is that? I don't know. See it from here. Oh, I already saw. I already see what's inside. What?
Alright, tells you what is inside.
Yeah, I can see everything inside already. Okay, now to the real stuff. Okay, so the first thing it's here is this Luna bar, Luna rice, cashew butter filled fruit and nut bar in salted caramel nut. This came with this. So they gave you like a $3 off these, a box of bars. It's not bad. It's not bad.
Different.
Different. Okay. Oh. So here they have 2 packs of Glam Glow Bubble Sheet. And if you guys know Glam Glow, they're super expensive. So this is a oxygenating deep cleanse mask and it's the bubble sheets. Oh, I'm excited to use this. And then the next thing is the Skin & Co. Blue and Capri Shower Gel. Okay, smells very minty. So this shower gel was $22 as per their magazine. The masks, the 2-pack is $18. Alright, so the next thing right here is an umbrella, and I like the floral print. I'm so into floral, which I'm really surprised they added a floral umbrella because it's fall, so you would think it'd be like orange, but I'm so into floral, so this is so beautiful. Babe, look, an umbrella. Okay, this was $39.99. Which is pretty pricey for an umbrella, but it's pretty. Okay, so the next thing right off the bat is the beauty blender, and it's just a regular beauty blender, and it's brown. So this is my first brown beauty blender. All my other ones are like orange and pink, and yeah, it's much smaller than the other orange beauty blender. So the beauty blender retails for $20, which I think that's a lot of money for a beauty blender. I don't think I paid $20 for a beauty blender. I guess it's because it's their new edition or something. I don't know what it is, but like $20, and it's tinier than the other ones. The next thing is this. What is this? Grown Alchemist Hydra Repair Day Cream. Okay, so it's a day cream free from skin aging toxins and carcinogens and all these other chemicals. Okay, so it seems like a very natural day cream. This retails for $49. Wow, so I'm excited to try this. Seems legit, feels legit. So Hydra Repair. day cream is chock full of active ingredients like camellia, rosehip oil, and jojoba oil to physically improve hydration, balance natural sebum levels, soothe skin, and repair UV damage. And the next thing is this homemade pretty towel from Simply Whimsical, and this is $14.99. So it's just it's a tea towel. So it's for okay, so they call it a tea towel, but it's like a kitchen towel. See? Okay, totally feels like a kitchen towel, like a regular towel that you put in your kitchen for the sink or wherever you want to put it. It feels nice. That's how it looks. And this was $14.99. Okay, so the next thing is this Cuccio Somatology Yoga Detox Bath, and it's post-practice and relaxing soak ritual, and it's made with Greek mastica, Mediterranean sea salt, and goji berry extract. So it says here it's for active minds and bodies. So this is kind of like the sea salts, the lavender sea salts that you put in your bath. So this is nice. I like taking baths from time to time. So this retails for $39.95. And it says here, whether you finish an intense workout or just want to unwind, treat yourself to a detox salt bath with calming scent of eucalyptus. Okay, it's nice. So the next thing on here is this, and alright, this is Alfred ceramic and stainless steel teapot. It's a 20-ounce teapot. This retails for $26. And it says here that it has a stainless steel lid, a wide-lipped infuser, and a dripless spout to make tea time enjoyable. Oh, okay. So you put the tea in here, and then you just put it in here, boil water, and just do your tea. That's cute. I've never owned one of these. That retails for $26. Now the last thing in here is this Vince Camuto. Looks like a bag. It's $128, and it's made with vegan leather. So it says here use a damp cloth to wipe off dirt. Yeah. So this is like a bag. Nice.
Wow.
All natural leather, vegan, baby. So this is how the bag looks. Just a regular tote. That is so nice that they added one of these in the bag, in the box. So yeah, this is $128, and it's from Vince Camuto, and it's vegan leather, which is awesome. So that's it, guys. That was everything in the box. So this retail, like the whole box, it says here there's a value of $285.97 through $375.94. Yeah, that's the box. I'm really happy with everything that it came with, and I really like the umbrella. Like, it's super simple, and I already have an umbrella, but just like the designs and then the bag that it came with, that was really nice. The masks, I'm totally gonna be using that tonight, and the tea, I will probably use that before I go to bed because I like drinking tea, and I like drinking tea too. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys on my next video.